Ever pondered about the secret to luscious, thick locks? Or battled with those pesky hair problems that just don't seem to go away? Well, today, we're diving into the world of natural hair care, specifically an aloe vera avocado hair mask that promises extreme hair growth. Let's begin with a little science. Hair growth needs nourishment and hydration, and our duo of aloe vera and avocado provides just that. Aloe vera, packed with vitamins A, C, and E, fuels cell turnover and supports shiny, healthy hair. Avocado, on the other hand, is a powerhouse of biotin, a vital nutrient that fortifies hair and accelerates growth. Now let's get down to business. Start with scooping out the flesh of one ripe avocado. Mash it well to avoid any lumps. To this, add 2 tablespoons of pure aloe vera gel. If you have an aloe plant at home, nothing like it. If not, a store-bought pure aloe gel would do. Mix these 2 ingredients until you achieve a smooth paste. Next, add a tablespoon of coconut oil to the mix. This is not a must, but a highly recommended addition. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft better than most oils, providing deep conditioning and preventing protein loss. Now the hair mask is ready for application. Start by wetting your hair slightly. Apply the mask from roots to tips, ensuring every strand is well coated. Once the hair is fully covered, wrap it up in a shower cap or a towel. Let it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. After the wait, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Remember to be gentle while rinsing. Harsh movements can cause unnecessary hair breakage. Follow this with a mild shampoo and conditioner routine. So, to recap, begin by mashing 1 ripe avocado and add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Stir in a spoonful of coconut oil if available. Apply this mask to damp hair from roots to tips. Let it work its magic for about an hour, then rinse off gently with lukewarm water, followed by your regular shampoo and conditioner. And voila! You've just treated your hair to a nutrient-rich, growth-boosting hair mask. Incorporate this into your hair care routine, and you'll soon see a noticeable difference in your hair's health and length. Remember, the journey to beautiful hair is not a sprint, but a marathon. Patience and consistency are key. So, gear up and get started on your path to enviable locks with this aloe vera avocado hair mask.